Hi, I'm Jeff, and today we're talking about Tibetan meditation for beginners. If you're starting a meditation practice, there's a few simple things that you want to think about. One thing you think about is always doing the meditation at the same time each day, and do the meditation in the same place. You want to have a space in your home or outside in the garden where it's dedicated just for meditation, trying not to use it for anything else. And you want to be comfortable. You want to make sure that if you're going to be sitting for 10 or 15 or 20 minutes that you're not thinking about your back or your hips or your knees bothering you. And here's a couple of meditation cushions you can find. You don't need to spend a lot of money and buy a fancy meditation cushion. You can just use a pillow if that's all you want. And what the cushions are designed for, it helps to raise the hips, and it does give you a comfortable position so the back is straight and the body is in a position that it's not going to be, you're not going to be focusing on a pain or discomfort in the body. And then don't start out trying to meditate for an hour the first time. Set a timer, give yourself 5 minutes, and then just clear the mind and focus on the breath. I'm Jeff, and that was Tibetan Meditation for Beginners.